Hey guys, welcome to day 9 of 21 days to good skin. Today's ingredient is something that I was introduced when I was probably in 5th or 7th grade. I used to use it a lot, forgot about it in the middle, but I'm back with that ingredient today. Today's ingredient is wheat, which is atta. Our Indian households are incomplete without this ingredient. They work great on your skin's elasticity, helps you remove tanning, is great for nourishment. Simple and easy ingredients for today. We need 2 spoons of wheat, which is your atta, 1.5 spoon of yogurt, which is your dahi, and 3 spoons of plain water. Mix them together to form a paste. Done. My face looks really exfoliated and bright. That's because it's a peel off mask. It has to be completely dry so that you can scrape it off. Remember, you don't have to rinse it off with water, but scrape it. Avoid the hairline, otherwise it gets